Welcome back to Tesha's TV. I'm so excited to have you here as we dive into some serious Jamaican cooking. So tonight, just coming in from work, so I've decided to dive into some baked chicken outside on the grill tomorrow. So let's actually see if chicken can bake on grill. So whether you're here for the food, the nature, or whatever, bless up yourself, and I hope you watch until the end. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's Tesha's TV. So bless up and big up on yourself. So now I am going to cut up the chicken, leave it to marinate, and then tomorrow I dive into that. So bless up and big up on yourself right through. For my new followers, I love you guys. Bless up and thank you all for watching. Catch you tomorrow. Okay guys, so now it's time for we check on the chicken and see how it go on. Alright, so see, start getting color. You know what? I don't want this go slide off, you know. And I lean to one side, alright? See it? Color come on nice. Okay guys, so now it's time to check on the chicken to see where it's going with. Right, to get it look color, you see me? And so now, watch it. Nice, see? Now come on, who said chicken could bake outside? That's a lie. Right. I guess my fire now catch up, so I have to go turn it. Alright, let me turn it. Look, alright. Coming on. Let's spin it around to that side. Yeah? Alright. You need just one turn on for them, I guess, you know? Okay. Chicken can bake outside. That's a lie. Because they know send me, I do this. Alright. Okay guys, so now it's time to check back on the chicken and see what I'm doing. Alright. Nice. So it's soon time for the sauce because let me taste a piece of this. See if it cook. Now taste it when it done. Alright, so next thing, when we check back on it, now put on the sauce. Yeah. Night come. But what we still outside. Still gonna do this. But in next 10 minutes or so, we should be finished. Okay guys, so now it's time for the sauce.
Like a subscribe again.
Yeah. Oh, I'm American. Really? Hey, like anything possible, yeah? Okay. Anything possible. And then I'm gonna just turn the next side. Give this about 8 minutes and turn the next side and do the same thing. Hey, don't talk to me nice. Right through. Make anything possible. Look at that. Your baked chicken outside. Who does that? One dish. I might give this about 8 minutes pan aside here and then turn it over and do the same thing. Then we're done. So now it's time to flip the next side. Okay. See the guys. Oh, nice. I'm gonna put this over the one. Anything is possible, guys. Anything is possible. Baked chicken outside, of course. And Mikhail's favorite dish too. Right, Mikhail?
Yeah.
See there? Anything, see the warm? And you want some baked chicken, but your gas done? Cold stove. If you don't know if you check out make cold stove, check out my previous videos. Guys, this is my homemade sauce. There is some ginger in it also. So you know, see that old flavor. Oh my god. So after, when it's finished, you know, I'm gonna do my sweet pepper on top and leave it for a little. Then I'm going to share in here. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys. You see there? Chicken coming on. So nice. Well nice. Well juicy. Love when my baked chicken juicy. You know? Anything possible. Anything we can do on the cold the gas stove, we can do it on the cold stove. Right through. You know much people have gas stove. So guys, soon time for this come off. And then we will share the meal. For the next 10 minutes and it's done. Baked chicken ready. Okay guys, so let's check on the baked chicken to see what it's about. Baked chicken well nice. Oh my. Look there. Anything possible outside. Look at that. Look at that. Anyways, guys, so now I'm gonna share food. So I'm gonna go inside. As you know, outside late and outside dark. So let's go inside to share the meal. Okay guys, so this is the finishing product. Well nice. Well nice. Oh my god. Well nice, see? Okay guys, so your meal is served. Pumpkin, sweet potato, string bean with carrot, lettuce and tomato. Oh my god. It's delicious. Thank you, Mikhail. So nice. So guys, continue to watching Tesha's TV and big up to my new subscribers them. Bless up on yourself. So continue to stay tuned for more content on Tesha's TV. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come over and subscribe. So guys,
You're my friend.
of course, you're my son. So guys, thank you so much for watching. You can say bye.
Bye.
Well, nice. Would I eat some of this right now? Guys, remember to subscribe. Please share the video. Like it up, guys. Subscribe.